Hello, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40N-C-W Object Distribution Counter with online functions and a wireless remote. This order is going out to AB Distributing in Illinois, and what this counter is meant to do is meant to basically count both using the online function, as you can see on the left side of the table, or screen here, along with our wireless remote control. So basically you can count objects either online or with the enclosure itself, with the unit along with the wireless remote control. This is one of the unique aspects of this model of the DC-40N versions. Not to mention it's also a shopping cart order, so we often get orders like these where we often get standard models with just a little tweak or a new feature attached to them. So I'm going to have Silas take over, and he's going to demonstrate the functions of this unit. He's going to showcase the online functions and the standard wireless remote control function, and I'm going to take over afterwards.
So, this is a combination of two of our previous products. It is a counter, as you can see. You can increment it, you can decrement it, using the remote as well as the website. Now, to make sure that the website is up to date, you have to refresh it. But you can see that the digital display refreshes immediately. You can decrement it on the website, you can reset it to 0, and you can manually set its value. You can do all of these things with the remote control as well: incrementation, decrementation, and to set it. As you can see, it starts off slowly, but soon it will speed up so that you can quickly get to whatever value you need it to be. It is a range of 0 to 9,999, and when it reaches that value and is incremented one more time, it resets to 0.
Okay, so quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is a 14 gauge aluminum enclosure that is both fingerprint and dust resistant. Its display size is 4 inches and it can be viewed up to a total of 200 feet. The number of digits that it has is 4 digits. It can count up or down from a grand total of 9,999. For accessories, we have our standard RF wireless remote handheld controller that functions at 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors, along with our network webpage with an IoT expansion card for controlling and viewing / configuring the counter. And the thing about our webpage is that it's completely free. You don't need third-party software, or you don't need to download anything. All you need is a standard browser like Google Chrome, for example, and access to the IP address to that particular unit. So again, this is Ian and Silas with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-40N-C-W Object Distribution Counter with online functions and a wireless remote control. Thanks for watching.